Hey guys, welcome to Squadron TV. Today I have a very cool model kit to share with you. This is AMT's brand new tooling 148 scale TIE Bomber. Again, this is all new tooling, brand new, very exciting. The only difference in the final production model and the one that I'm going to show you today is the color of the plastics. When they're doing their test shots, they generally use white plastic, or at least they did with this model. This that I'm going to show you today is the final test production. This is the one that they approved, which means they go to production after this. So the only difference in what I'm showing you today and what you will end up getting here in just a few short weeks is going to be the color of the plastic. I'm showing you white plastic, but what you will get when you purchase this model will be a gray plastic, which will be kind of cool considering this is a TIE bomber. But anyway, let's check out what's in the box. And then here in the next few days, I'm going to follow up with another video and show you how this thing went together. One of our guys here at the warehouse, Tom, has put one of these together and painted it up for you. It looks really good. I'm excited to show you that too. But for today and for right now, I want to show you what's in the box.